Hi guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel IT for You. Today we are going to tell you how to prevent losing your Excel files when you accidentally close the program. In this video, we will show you how to enable settings to prevent data loss and ensure you can recover your work effortless. For this you first need to open Excel. Now open a blank workbook. Click on File on top menu bar, and look for Options tab and click on it. Now here you can see few options, look for the Save tab and click on it. Now here, look for Save Auto Recover Information every X minutes. Enable this option by clicking the checkbox, and you can also set the time interval for when you want your file to auto-save. Here, I am setting it to 5 minutes. Also enable the option Keep the auto-recovered version if I close without saving. Now click OK button to save the settings. Don't let a simple mistake that can lost your hard work. Follow along as we guide you through these essential settings. Hope you liked the video. For more related video comment us on comment box and must subscribe the channel.